everyone! Do you still remember me? Yes, I'm Minty. Welcome back to my channel. Now it's a season to eat chive. You can see I prepared so many chives. Today I'm gonna share how to make a Chinese chive pie. Okay, let's go. So these are today's ingredients. It's very simple. Chives, 韭菜. Do you still remember egg? 鸡蛋. And of course, I need flour. 面粉. I also need some warm water. 温水. And salt. 盐. Cooking oil. 食用油. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it. This is 200 gram flour. Then I'm gonna add this small spoon of salt. 盐. This is 150 milliliter warm water, not cold water, warm water. Pour the water, use the chopsticks, stir. Keep stirring like this. Now I should use my hand to knead it into a dough. But I should wash my hand first. Knead it into a dough. Now I finished to make this dough. You can see the bowl is very clean. It means you will succeed to make a dough. And I need to pour some cooking oil. Then cover it with the wrap. So cover this with the wrap and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Crack these eggs into this bowl. I have washed my hand. Now we should stir the egg white and yolk together. Heat the pan and pour some cooking oil, 食用油, but I use olive oil, 橄榄油. Now use the medium heater, pour the egg. Use the chopsticks to scrape. I have made this scrambled egg. Now turn off the fire, leave this egg. Now I'm gonna cut these chives. This part is hot to be done. So I'm gonna cut this part off to keep it for another dish. This part is not for the pie. Put these chives into this bowl. I have put this small spoon of cooking oil in because if we put the cooking oil, we can avoid the chives coming out of water later. Now we need to put the egg in. Make sure the egg is cold now. we need to seasoning this stuffing. So salt, oyster sauce, 蚝油 1 spoon, and black pepper powder. Then mix them. I have put some flour on this cutting board. Now let's take off this bowl. Knead it for like 20 seconds and roll it into a long stick. Now let's divide it into like 3 pieces. Oh, I can get 4 pieces. I'm sorry. Knead this dough like this round ball and press it. Dust both sides with flour and roll it. Now I have done this. You see, this side is very thin, but this center should be a little thick. Now that we should to put the stuffing on. Hold this upside, downside, left side, right side. Made it like this. Heat the pan. After we heat this pan, we should use the low heat to make this pie. Now put the cooking oil. Still, I used olive oil. Put the pie in. This side should be the upside. Then use your hand to press it very softly. Brush some oil on this side. Put the lid on the fry pan. Remember, use the low heat to make this pie. Now flip this. Flip it again. I have done today's Chinese chives pie. You can see I got 4 pies. My mom always told me if you make pie, a pancake, or dodia, you should keep the last one big. You see, this one is bigger than others because my mom said it means your life can be more and more better and you can be more and more wealthy. No matter you believe or not, I just think it's my mom's best wishes, good wishes. Okay, let me cut one. Okay, so 3 regular size and 1 big size pie. Let's review how to make this pie. So, first step, we need to make a dough. In Chinese, we say 面团. 面团. When you make a dough, of course, you need flour. 面粉. Today, I used 200 gram flour. and I add 2 grams salt. Then I make the dough. 面团, 面粉 is today's first and second Chinese word. One more time. Flour, 面粉, 面粉, dough, 面团, 面团. Okay, what's inside? Chive, 韭菜, 韭菜. I used 200 gram chives, 韭菜, and eggs. I used 3 eggs, 鸡蛋, 鸡蛋. What else do I use? Salt, 盐, 盐, oyster sauce, 蚝油, 蚝油, and black pepper powder, 黑胡椒, 黑胡椒. Do you still remember cooking oil? 食用油. What do I use? I use olive oil, 橄榄油, 橄榄油. This is today's Chinese word. Also 2 sentences to share. The first one is, do you know Chinese chive pie? 你知道韭菜馅儿饼吗? By the way, 馅儿, it means stuffing. 馅儿 is something inside. 馅儿, 馅儿. So, one more time. 你知道韭菜馅儿饼吗? Second one. What is Chinese chive pie? What is a question word. 什么? 什么? 韭菜馅儿饼是什么? 韭菜馅儿饼是什么? So, according to these 2 sentences, you're going to know today's food's Chinese name, right? What is that? It's 韭菜馅儿饼. 韭菜馅儿饼. Okay, this is today's video. I can see you next time.